I don't know why, but I'm a Flood Escape lover. Flood Escape 2 lover. Sure, look at that. The map is now Wasteland. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That is sharp. What do you mean? No, someone had a sneaky mode.
To remember their childhood.
No! She's still
Nostalgia! 2022 me! 2025 me! Sad!
Signal, unsignal.
Nostalgia is real. Some of my own liquid to satisfy her even more. Wow, she is amazing. Thank you for this video.
Gaia! 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 Gaia!
Guys, just AI. It's not real.
What a beautiful and cute and bright baby!
How does a child know about rockets in outer space?
This baby is so... I like it.
Children should not be left alone like this. I would never leave my child alone in such a dangerous place.
Thanks.
This sweet was me Fatherite Pop. Fatherite.
This is your uncle, Cristiano.
I'm pretty sure that I shall speak. Just in the Christmas war notified. Someone I've already created that so you can do that. And it's funny that Cristiano Ronaldo is watching. So, this is gonna get crazy. He's gonna go over to him and talk to him, Alex, like you. What's your copying my move? I love you. He like you the best guy in the world. I love you.
What?
The baby's smart. Got me rolling to knots. I like a girl named Ernestine.
We do not care.
Baby Riz. Parents G's.
And they know how to
Do it in a normal
No, it took me 15 years to master mine.
but not in a short.
Those babies. Seriously, that baby is rolling. His eyes and his mom wow.
What a horse body. Now I roll. Ah! Not moving now.
Is Donald Trump.
The last baby, yo, the smile is so sus for the baby.
Friday's not that.
Bro rock. Girl shop.
What?
Sigma. Girl, eat this thing.
She got Uno reversed.
Damn girl. That's the most truthful quarrel that I've ever seen. Like, why did she want to shake hands with her? Stay a humble woman. The world doesn't rotate around you.
Mr. Green, down here. A family photo cards. I lost my phone, but my phone is broken. Can you use Indonesian?
Mr. Beast, please. I want to tell you something, please.
My name is Walter Corso. I live at 308 Negra Arroyo Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Mr. Beast something mentions a lot of pumpkins. Please pumpkin chocolate. Master Patricia. Mustache pizza pumpkin super flavored. Mr. Frost. Please, brother. I need 5,000.
Sentient epic minigame.
No, mama. Ooh, that was a good roast right there. There's a green play button, so shiny, so beautiful. But no, not today. Instead, I'm invited to a party. Would you like to go to the party? Yes. That is me over there, the beautiful one. Welcome to the epic party. For the game begins, everyone must roll their dice to determine the round order. Oh my goodness, I need to get this perfect timing. Oh, what? I got the lowest! I'm going last! Oh, this is a board game. Wow! Your goal is to collect as many crystals as you can. The person with the most crystals in the game wins! I'm king! Oh, I did not know that. should stop losing. Please. Come on, teammate, we're losing! We can't lose! No, I've been losing too much in my life. I can't! Oh, not even close. They won.
Oh, I did not do
Round
that.
2?
Sorry.
They got 9. Oh, whoa. Is that a cannon? Oh, hold up a minute. What is happening? This game is too extra.
Look at that.
Yes, you got the red. Haha. Get a 1. Get a 1. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off the cliff. Can you just please fall off? That'd be so god. This guy keeps on getting green. He probably has the most coins. Oh wait, someone actually has 0 coins. How is that possible? I'm getting something good. Trust me. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna calculate the...
No.
timing and everything, and boom! I have been getting the lowest numbers in the game. You know what? It doesn't even matter. I got a green. That means 3 coins for me.
Why would you beat me?
Oh, I hate Rocket Rumble. I think that's where you get rocket launchers. No! I'm not a violent person, okay? This is why I suck at this game. Trust me. I'm gonna target this guy first because we've both failed at volleyball. What? Did they just die? No way. No way. No way. No way, dude. Yes! Fall! They have a pet turtle. I want to shoot your pet turtle, please. Oh, wow. Whoa! I got 10? 10 coins? They got a 2. 2 for 2. What the? That's a zipline trick. Oh, you got a 1. That is the lowest by far. Ooh, mystery. Huh? Oh, whoa. Ready, guys? Are you ready? Ooh, 10! Double digits! I wanna go this way, baby! Yes! Up the ladder. Nice, good climbing skills, girl. Bunch of green! I got 3 points. I'm so happy. Something good. Slippery sliding. You're going down, you foolish people! Ha! I'm in the lead. Oh, ow! Wait, no, this ain't fair. No, you... Dude! Wait, on. I'm fine. I think I'm fine. Oh, great. I'm literally in last. Thank you, guys. Loser! I'm not a loser, because you're a loser. Oh, no, I'm a loser. I'm such a loser. Why am I teleporting? Where's the finish line? I don't see it. Oh, there it is! I did not win! Hello, weary traveler. Tired of walking everywhere? Try my spatial teleport for 30 tokens. Oh, they are 1 short. Oh, boy. They pretty much just made fun of this guy for having 1 less coin than what he's supposed to have. Oh, that's a flyer. Yes. Here it goes. No. 3, 2, 1. I'm so lucky. Oh, everybody left. What's the mini game? Going underground. So it's like hole in the wall, but very weird. Stop jumping! We're not a bunny! Stop it! You know what? I'm gonna be in the lead because I trust myself. Yes. Back up. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they died. Noob. Not better than me. This guy's so gonna rage quit. I'm calling it right now. This is so much fun. So much fun. Hey, I made it out right. What's up? Oh, great. This is fun. I'm quitting. No, give me help. Welcome to the second match. Here is our today's competitor. What? I rolled a 1? Ooh, this one looks good. Oh my. There's so many ways to die. You can fall in lava, you can trip. You got an 8. Pretty decent start, I see. Oh! What? Hey, you're hacking. No, you can't do that. You better stop. Just go already. Go. You got to. McKenzel smells good. Go, McKenzel smells good. You got a 4. 3, 2, 1. Rolly, roll. No. Should I be smart or should I be dumb? You know what? I'm gonna be dumb. Why not?
Such a daredevil.
I got 1
Sometimes I want to lose coins, you know?
Look at that.
Perfection. I love this
She's
one. This one is
crying
so
again.
So what the trick here is, you got to go for the red ones first, and then go for the orange ones, and you gotta go for the yellow one. It's like the rainbow. We got the green, and then we got the blue. Go, fast, and then go. Did it? Everybody won. That's so pathetic. Who's in the lead right now? Oh, we're all tied with 17. They rolled a 4. And they got a red. That's pretty smart. You get 3 coins. It's going even farther. I hope you fall in lava. Alright, just gonna skip past you. Thank you. And I'm gonna get my 3 coins. Crack. Look how I pose when I'm on the rock. Oh, I'm supposed to touch the what are these called? Shapes? Yeah, I think they're called shapes. Are you calling me a baby? I don't play with shapes anymore. I play video games. Did it. Yay! Go home. Leave the game. Oh, wow, you got a 10. No fair. Just go eat breakfast or something. There's another minecart? Oh, what? No! You can't leave me here. Go smells good. I want you to smell like fresh blossoms. Got one. Nice smell. Ooh, 9. I love that. Are you gonna take the minecart ride? Should I? You know what? I'm different. I'm going this way. Yep. Oh, whoa. But I did lose 3 coins. More mania? Wait, this is a team minigame. There's only 3 people. This is unfair. No! The red team people are all the way over there. I'm all by myself. I don't even know how to do this job. Oh no. Okay, so there's a trick for this. You gotta go in between. Don't bother me. I'm Molaning. Leave me alone. You see this guy? He's only going 1 at a time. He's so gonna fail. Wait a minute. I don't think this is possible because there's 2 people on their team. And if I'm going 2 blocks at a time, we're also missing them. Then wouldn't I just automatically lose? What? No fair! I'ma eat you. Fail. Did you fail? 4? Uh-oh. Wait, they're above lava. They literally died. 5, 4, 3, 2, shot! I'ma go for double dice. I'ma buy 2 double dice actually. Yes! I just had enough to get the crystal. I could have overspent in that shot. But thank goodness I had the diamond. Wait. Uh-oh, this is bad. What am I doing? What's it gonna be? It's ring diver. I don't even have goggles or a breathing mask or anything. I am like Aquaman. Alright, gotta go through this. Go over here. No, I missed that one. That's stupid. No, it's fine. Oh, give me that. That's good. Oh, give me this one. No, I missed that one. No, I'm missing everything. Oh. Whoa. That's a lot of points right there. Free money. Free gamer money. These golden rings are the best. Yes. Go, smelly good. I forgot you still smell good. No, they got the diamond now. Go, double dice. And I'm gonna get a high number right now. 16! That's so good! Oh, yes. Wait. Actually, no. Why did I do that? Oh, no, I can't buy it. Oh, I gotta leave this. No! I'm so screwed. No! Yo, where's everybody? Oh, they're all the way over there. Why am I so separated from them? Whatever. It's just obvious. There's a black hole behind me. I remember playing this for the first time and I fell immediately on my first jump. That was like when I was so trash at obbies. It's so repetitive. Are they alive still? Oh, I think they're dead. Oh no, I'm dead. Nobody survived. They're gonna die again. Why do I feel so bad for you? But it's so funny. You got this. I believe in you. You got one? Don't tell me you're gonna die too. Oh no. Oh, the rocks directly crushed them. Huh, I'm not like them. I'm actually better than them. See? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to get myself 4 coins. McKenzel smells good. Is controlling the bomb? Since when did she turn into a savage? Just because I called you smelly doesn't mean you could do this to me. This is abuse. Human abuse. Smelly, 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 smelly. Also smelly, also smelly. Oh, wow. Somebody died to that. Oh, these two bombs are too close to each other. Wait, can I survive? Oh, I survived. Wait, she automatically wins? It's this one. I've done this one already, and I'm good at this one. Whose piggy bank is this? I'm gonna step on it. Go away, corn. Are you gonna make it? Oh, they made it. No fun. That's so dumb. Oh, dead. That's a dead person right there. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, this woman's good. Oh, she's real good. No, that one guy who just died left the game. If I die, then they die. Oh, I shouldn't have moved. Ha! You're not gonna beat me, smelly good. Yes! I have more coins than them. I have so many coins. Final round. This is gonna be the one. I hope you fall into that bridge again. I beg, please. Yes! No! No, they didn't. No. Okay. It's my chance. It's my final moment. I gotta use this dice wisely. 14. Yeah, that's pretty good. 13. 12. Oh no, I missed the gem. No. Oh, I'm back in this cave. I forgot all about this cave. Yes, I got coins. Crumble Island? Ew. This is so much luck. Best of luck to you. I'm gonna win. Should I be evil? Should I just like follow her around? Because if I die, then they die. So I think I'm gonna just like stay behind them. Okay, we both died. Like I said. Yes! Game finished. Let's determine the winner. Why are you hanging over us by lava? The Traveling Crystal, awarded to players who walk the most spaces. Me! That has to be me. Please, it has to be me. I got double dice. I got 99 spaces moved. The Token Crystal, awarded to the players with the most token at any point during the game. That's me. That has to be me too. Yo, I'm gonna win. I kind of feel bad for Smelly, but... Wait, what? The minigame crystal, awards to the players who won the most minigames. That's me. That's so me. Oh my god, I think I won. Oh my goodness. This is literally scary. And the winner of the game is me. I think... I just killed them in lava. What is wrong with you? I won! I am amazing! GG to you, Smelly Good. I really like your username, but I did better than you. Haha. Yo, mama! Ooh, that was a good roast right there. There's a green play button. So shiny, so beautiful. But no, not today. Instead, I'm invited to a party. Would you like to go to the party? Yes. That is me over there, the beautiful one. Welcome to the epic party. Before the game begins, everyone must roll their dice to determine the round order. Oh my goodness, I need to get this perfect timing. Oh, what? I got the lowest! I'm going last. Oh, this is a board game. Wow. Your goal is to collect as many crystals as you can. The players with the most crystals at the end of the game win. I'm gaming. Oh, I did not know that. Sorry. Oh, somebody's going. You got this. Ooh, what they got? Oh, they have to make a choice. This is so cool. It's actually a board game. Oh my god. They're getting the red. Is that good? Oh, they just lost 3 coins. What a rip in the chat. Oh, we got a cutie boy here. Green. No, you got 3 coins. That's so dumb. No. Why is everybody getting coins? Oh, here I come. Hey guys, roll. 5. Okay, alright, I have to make a decision. Should I go this way or that way? I'm gonna go this way, near the edge of the cliff. Because I'm just such a daredevil. No! What the heck? It's so not fair. Can we restart? Restart? No. Clear side? What? I'm pretty sure this is one of the minigames in the actual epic minigames, which is so cool. Go, Rexy, we can do it. We are the blood. We're the fiercest. We're the cutest. Look at how he moves. I don't even know how to explain it. Look how I move. I'm moving with my gold chain. I think we're losing. Probably should stop losing. Round 2? They got 9.
He's cheering.
Oh, whoa. Is that a cannon? Oh, hold up a minute. What is happening? This game is too extra. Yes, you got the red. Get a 1. Get a 1.
Yes!
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell off the cliff. Can you just please fall off? That'd be so god. This guy keeps on getting green. He probably has the most coins.
No.
Oh wait, someone actually has 0 coins. How is that possible? I'm getting something good. Trust me. I'm gonna calculate the timing and everything. And
No. And I die. Such a Hey, why do you take only 0.7 seconds?
Getting the lowest numbers in the game. You know what? It doesn't even matter. I got a green. That means 3 coins for me.
Go!
Oh, I hate rocket rumble. I think that's where you get rocket launchers. I'm not a violent person, okay? This is why I suck at this game. Trust me.
Got this.
I'm gonna target this guy first because we've both failed at volleyball. Did they just die? No way.
Where is the treasure?
Yes! No! They have a pet turtle. I want to shoot your pet turtle. Please. Oh, wow. Whoa! I got a 10 coins. They got a 2. 2 for 2. What the? That's a cool zipline trick. Oh, you got a 1. That is a lower play ball. Mystery. Ready, guys? Ready. 10. Double digits. I want to go this way, baby. I'm not a loser because you're a loser. Oh no, I'm a loser. I'm such a loser. Why am I teleporting? Where's the finish line? I don't see it. Oh, there it is! I did not win! Hello, weary traveler. Tired of walking everywhere? Try my spatial teleporter for 30 tokens. Oh, they are 1 short.
No.
Ahoy, Sapooxis! Hi! Welcome back to Pirate Story. Ahoy, Squeaks the Mouse. You're so cute! Sapooxis, try and get the most pirate pets. There be castaways running about. Target practice time.
Oh no!
Guys, this is not an actual story game itself. I'm just in the lobby, and I didn't know what's happening. Y'all be very sorry if y'all were my friends. No friends. Well, good for you. These are not my real friends. These are my alt accounts. I provided myself fake friends because I felt lonely. Looks like we are in a pirate ship. Ahoy, mateys! Who here wants to be a pirate? Not me. If y'all want to be a pirate, you need to.
The angel. I'm sorry. You don't have an angel yet. Sorry. devil. No.
Talk like a pirate. No! Can you say something all pirate-like? No! Starship blows? No! Shut up, lady. Blow me down, Sapooksis. Yar sound perfect. Oh, thank you. Next, if y'all want to be a pirate, you need to look like a pirate. Grab something from the fashion closet.
I missed the jump. Entrance Mindscape. About the other side. Where they? My eyes! My fucking eyes! Oh my god. Yeah.
Return to me.
Yo!
Guys, look at this fashion closet. So fashionable. I'm just gonna wear a hat and that'll be it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, that's all I need. Blow me down, the new man. Y'all look perfect. What about me? Now y'all ready to meet the captain? Ahoy, crew. Y'all look and sound great. But if y'all gonna be a pirate, y'all need to dance like a pirate. No, I'm not dancing. Be quiet. Go to the trampoline to show me your dance moves. No! Oh my god, is this dancing? This is dancing, guys. We're just flying. I give your dancing an 11 out of 10. You're officially party pirates. So who's ready for swim time? Wait, I do not know how to swim. Oh my god, same. Actually, none of us know how to swim. Oh, I see. What about beach play? I love the beach. Yeah, just look at his winning smile. Great! I will hand out your party pirate gear. Do we get swords? Do we get pistols? Okay, calm down. Actually, pirates get plastic beach shovels, land come on. We can build a giant sand castle. Darky, digging, sand, then pop, dig deep. Wait, how do you get to the sand? I'm so confused. Now we build a giant sand castle. I'm on ED. I'm literally stuck. I can't get out of the sand castle. Help! Get out of this. Whoa, I see something more. Give me some. Is that a ship off in the distance? Oh my god, it's Captain. I wonder what Captain is gonna do to me. Oh, he looks very mad. Probably didn't eat breakfast today. Well, if it isn't the party pirates, y'all built the best sandcastle ever? Not. I know how to make your sandcastle way better. Oh, really? Okay, do it. Fire the cannon! Yes! Oh my god, okay, what? Wow.
Yes!
You griefer! Somebody needs to get you banned. Okay, we're actually fighting already? Dude, we don't even have anything. We have our plastic shovels. Calm down. We're just innocent people trying to build beautiful sandcastles, yeah? Your sandcastle is now flat.